Hello everyone, and as you can see on my table is Makita saw, and I hope you've seen how I changed the terminal for it in the previous videos. But for this one now is reseller tip time. So what we have with this one, if you want to resell it, yeah, we have of course the dirt. We have the dirt here, and it not looks good. We have the damage here. Basically we will not do anything nice with this one. We have dirt, we have some markings with a marker here, here, of course the dirt, some kind of sticker and the marker marks, and it's a sticker. So what we will do, firstly we will try to remove the marker marks. I'm doing that with the adhesive residue remover. Most of the time it works very good. You can see this one changed the color, not always changing the color, and yeah, it's orange. And sometimes the paper is not enough for this ones, and I'm using the brush. Example, I have the wire brush. I'm just trying to move it gently to not damage the surface of the plastic. And of course sometimes I cannot remove the markers, but this time you can see it's still left here. And we can try the paint stripper. Okay, now we will go all around with this one remover. And we can see that the marker is almost removed. Yeah, now some kind of markings left here, but the marker is removed, and of course we have a sticker. With the stickers, first of all, I'm trying to take them out with a knife or with my finger. Okay, we got it removed, just some glue left. I'm just spray the same adhesive residual remover, waiting a little bit and trying to scrub it. Yep, the paint and the glue is going out. Okay, looks not bad for now. We can check for this one. Now this one is still left a little bit, as you can see. Oh, basically it's a good marker. Okay, now doing the same. Okay, the marker signs is almost invisible here. So with the marker, okay, we have one on a handle here. And yeah, the marker knot goes out, all of it, just some part of it. Okay, now we have a sticker. Here we have the sticker out. It was glued, maybe with super glue. Yep, and now we have some grease, I think, here. Yeah, it's getting out with a wire brush. I will try the softer brush, I think, here. Okay, and maybe this brush. Now we need to put the cleaner on this one, and of course we have the rubber not holding on the housing, so we need to glue it. I'm just using a simple super glue. Now this one needs to dry a little bit, and yeah, what we can do, we can try to clean the dust. The very good brush for the dust is a detailing brush for the cars, because when you need to get to the spots like this ones, it just goes inside, you move the dust and brushing them out. Of course we can blow up everything with the compressed air. Okay, as the big dusts are removed, you can go to the holder here and remove some dust. Now I will take the shoe out, because we have a lot of dust here inside. You can see I have moved the dust and how much of dust poured out. Okay, you can see how much of dust was here. Okay, now we will try the dash and tech screen cleaner here for the rubber and the plastic housing. Just spraying all the tool with it. Now as the tool sprayed, we are rubbing it with the simple brush. And we have spots where the simple brush cannot take the tip out. We can try to gently scrub it with a wire brush. Okay. Now we need some paper towel to dry the tool out from the cleaner and the table, of course. And for this one we can see that it looks pretty better now when it's cleaned, and it will be easier to sell it. Also, I will clean the shoe a little bit. Yeah, and mounting the shoe in, we can see we have left the dry spots here. Of course, the tool will lay in a shelf for, I don't know, a couple of days or a week until it will be sold, so that spots will dry out, and when they dry out you can leave a marks. So I think you can use the cockpit spray. It's for the dashboard, and just spraying the tool. And I have the other brush to brush it. Okay, and now we can just rewind the video and look how it looked at the beginning of the video and how it looks now. Of course, we have the marker marks here, but if we will brush it harder, we can damage the plastic. We don't want that. And this one looks pretty nice now, I think, and will be sold fast. Thank you for watching. Bye.